Dragtimes here. Eric invited me out to Bradenton Motorsports Park, and we've been talking for a while about doing some races. He's got a bunch of badass cars. This is one of his Turbo S. He's got anything but the Turbo. Didn't make it out. Didn't make it, so we will do that next time. Really interested to see.
It's on, baby. It's about to go down. Who you got? Turbo S, SF90. They both ran similar times, but now it's about the tree and the driver. Don't matter about what you did before. Racing's racing. Yeah, he ain't gonna be happy. His tune isn't working. He's losing power up top. It's not wet. Roll that window up, kid.
Go up, Eric, go up. Go up, huh? Go. Get that angle, Doc. Come on, bro. Get that angle. We got two Priuses, guys. Two Priuses out there.
Power out. That's like,
What's up with that? How did he slower? Dude, I was
his launch was strong though. He got him on the launch.
there we go. Launched it.
Damn, he's timing, bro.
Something's lacking.
Run 2. 1-0, baby. 1-0, baby. You lost that one. You lost that one, Eric.
What? 9-9. I don't know what happened. Your hookup is nice. You're going again though. How you doing?
Hey, did you drop the pressure a little bit?
9.65. I think those cameras are slowing you down. The wind.
Yeah, you lost your arrow, bro.
Porsche designed the arrow specifically. Not quite sick though. You want me driving it?
Let's get the phone ready too.
Eric, come on, baby. Hey, I got $1,000 on the front, bro. Hey, all you can do is just put on it. That's it. You hold it. The rest, the car does everything else. He's running triple eights. I mean, he's, you know.
He's got it. Yeah, he's on the 20s and Continentals. I don't know, bro. Things ain't something to the wheel. That's pretty the same. Brooks did.
Oh, the red light. Oh, cool. There you go. Good. So Eric won that one.
That was perfect. Thank you. Even though he's still red light.
Red light. That's a loss, baby. That's a loss.
I told him if he does one more red light, I'm jumping in.
So that was 1-1.
Race number 3.
Yeah.
Trying to time this, the
Hey,
overboost.
you need to get, yeah, but you need to get out. But you're losing time.
No, I'm trying to time the
Hey,
overboost.
maybe your suspension, you can separate, right? Your suspension, you need to let it soft so it squats harder. Yeah, make sure the suspension don't comfort. Yeah, there you go. That way it squats harder.
Focus on the light. Focus on the light.
1-1, baby. 1-1. My man Brooks red lighted, so.
Huh? Yeah, of course. Oh, I'm nervous.
White.
asleep. That's why.
Yes, he was.
9.6, 9.8.
He was sound ass asleep.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's the left
Totally
one. He got
sleepy.
to the finish line, bro. It ain't the time.
The faster car don't always win. Sleepy. You got to be on the tree.
Eric takes him, baby.
This is all day long ago, dude. Like,
He's like, watch this, son. Hold your drink. Daddy's going. Stop, baby. You're going for a Sunday drive.
On a Saturday.
A sábado.
Sábado, gigante.
10.4.131. He picked up 2/10 in his first run. Yeah, and he picked up 2 mile an hour.
Oh, you don't have to.
Well,
No, but someone else run it, right?
racing's racing. You got to go by what happens.
This should be a good one. Yeah, times are slowing
Let's run the 720.
900, 1,000 horsepower, 720.
930 wheels.
930 to the wheel. I think we should do that next.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. Brooks and Dragtimes here. Eric invited me out to Bradenton Motorsports Park, and we've been talking for a while about doing some races. We've got a bunch of badass cars. This is one of his Turbo S. It's got a big upgrade turbo. It didn't make it out. It didn't make it, so we will do that next time. I'm really interested to see.
Lineup of cars here today is ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Ridiculous all the way around. Little sleeper. Number 17 right there. Pista. Stock turbo M4 X Drive competition. Lowered, not tuned though. He is stock GTR tune, AMG GTR's tune, stock Huracan 458s, another Turbo S. I'm not sure what Ferrari that is over there. Let me see the name of that older 599. I don't know, Berlinetta or 911. That's the Porsche just ran. Brooks SF90. Plaid. Couple 488s. Little first face off. First face off right here. SF90.
9697.
992, baby.
gorgeous. I love it, but it's not.
Better gas in there.
What do you run better? My time. Or did you?
Ferrari guys. They got to see their SF90. They were in heaven, so they go bye-byes. They got to see their SF90, so they're happy campers.
Look almost like a Lotus.
On race gas, it made 835 to all 4 wheels.
That's like running it now?
Yep. So 835 to all 4 wheels. I'm engineering, tune.
Those guys are here.
Yeah, they're
And you know what, too? Is this is one of the first ones that just did a PDP.
Damn, that thing is way down in there.
Yeah, what's up with that thing?
Dude, this thing is like almost on the floor.
Yeah, you see
See
that?
that?
Yeah, the engine's really low.
Wow.
Literally, it's way right down.
I didn't realize it was that low in there.
Wow, you got some great ceramic coating on here, huh?
Yeah, it's not sticking on it. Oh, no, it's PPM. Oh, God.
First pass, baby. This M engineering. Upgraded. This shift or lost boost right there. Not driven. No matching wheels. Then has the M engineering tune, baby. Let's see what this bad boy does.